I think in the second half of the year, those more direct policy issues will play a part. But I think people now are, in a relief rally. The event risk of last year has come down. People can see some light at the end of the tunnel, and actually, I think growth numbers generally have been better than people have expected, given the fact that December was a poor month in terms of the virus. Asian growth has been pretty positive, continuing. We're seeing that a sort of reflation or cyclical rally across most markets, whether it's in commodities or emerging market and Asian stocks, or simply developed market cyclicals.
And let's pick up on emerging markets, because do you expect the weakening in the dollar trend to continue? And does that mean that we should go heavy on emerging markets? And if so, which ones?
Well, we're very positive on emerging markets in Asia, and actually across all asset classes, which is fairly unique for us. The preference is for emerging markets equities and also Asian equities. And this year, we think actually that China might not be the winner. China was clearly the winner last year in terms of equity performance, and we think we'll get a catch up in emerging markets ex-China. So we'll see markets like Korea continuing to do well, India picking up, and Brazil. And all those three markets have the same sort of attribute. They've got quite a bit of a cyclical pickup, and we're beginning to see their growth pick up and earnings. The earning revisions have been good. You're talking about Korea earlier. I think Korea is a really interesting market, because what we had last year was a lot of foreigners selling it. But the locals, the retail investors, bought 3 times the amount the foreigners sold. And this was helped by policy in the government, by lower interest rates, by a sort of restrictions on property. So there wasn't that many areas where people could put money with real interest rates being negative, and also incentives to buy into sort of technology areas. But it's very much a mid-cap rally. And what we're seeing the beginning of this year, and we expect that to continue, is a really cyclical rally from the larger companies.